everybody. Today my dad's going to show you something in a few minutes.
Hey guys, and welcome back to part 2 of the Textron repair. We're going to be lapping the valves in the head so that it seats well. I'm going to do a time lapse of a lot of the work. I might narrate over some of it, but a lot of it's just going to be fast forwarded. If you have any questions, just leave the questions in the comments, or I can make a follow-up video with some more information. So really all we're doing here is I'm going to provide the parts list of everything I used in this upper rebuild. We were able to save the piston in part 1, so now we're just going to be building from where we left off all the way back to full run. Let's start and get the head prepped for the new valves. We're going to lap these new valves into their seats. The spec tells us they lap at a 45 degrees, so that's what the heads are going to match the valve. They're not a conflicting angle, so we're going to run some valve grinding compound around the valves, and I'll show you how I like to seat them. You can see this dull finish here, from here to here. That is your valve mating surface. So when we use the lapping compound, that is where that compound went between. See where this dull surface is? This and this surface are now ground and mated. This side. This is the larger valves, this is my intake, and my exhaust on this side. That way I know I put these in. This is what I mated with this side, and this is what I mated with this side. tensioner is set, just to make sure this is timed right. Centering dowel pin. The lines are horizontal with the mating surface. We're timed. It's been a pain in the butt. Everything's hooked back up. All my connections are on. Electrical, coolant, bolts are torqued. It's back on. Got no codes on the dash. So all my modules are hooked up right. Let's see if it starts. It runs! Oh, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Nice. What do you think, Remy? Is it fixed?
My fingers are dancing.
I'm just going to show you where the oil drain on this is. Oil drain on this is on the very, very bottom. It even shows you on the manual. It says drain plug found on the bottom of the engine. I would hope that an oil drain would be on the bottom side of whatever you're draining, but either way, there's not much room under here. So I just take an old mirror. You can use the mirror on the sticks if you're one of them professional fancy people. I used to have one, but it's been forgotten, like one of Andy's toys from Toy Story. Let me show you what I did. I'm under here. Got my old handy dandy mirror here. And you can see. See right there? You see that bolt? That's the oil drain plug. I'll let you know what size nut that is here in a second. 19 millimeter is the size of that oil drain plug. Now you know, so you don't have to guess. Little life hack. You want to put these back in without having to reach your fingers in there. Put your little nut in there to take up space. That way when she's in here, all the way bottomed out, it's sticking out. That way, when you go to reach up in there, you can just have this set and you have a little bit of pressure to apply. Let's go in. Alright, we got the new filter in. The oil fill and the oil check, the dipstick, is of course way down here. See the little bitty white down there? Little bitty guy. So we gotta go traversing into the wild of the engine bay to check for it. Fun, right? I know. That's about 2.5 quarts. That's what it specs for. So I'm going to put the cap back in. I'm going to start it for a little bit, let it run, and then recheck fluid. I can get there. Everything's a lot hotter now, I'll tell you that much. Need a little more. You're on camera.